Hello. Hello everyone. Today we're reviewing the Teufel Rockster Go 2 wireless speaker. The Rockster Go 2 has two 50mm speakers and two passive radiators for bass. It features aluminum diaphragms and a dynamo amp to minimize distortion. The speaker's wattage isn't specified in this case. Regarding the battery, the capacity in milliamps isn't given, but I can tell you about the battery life. About 12 hours of continuous use at medium volume. Plus, it has fast charging. 15 minutes of charge gives you about 2 hours of use. It uses Bluetooth 5.1 with aptX and has a range of about 10 meters. Besides playing music wirelessly via Bluetooth from a phone, you can also connect a laptop through the USB-C port, thanks to the USB sound card system. It features true wireless tech, allowing you to link two Rockster Go2 speakers together for stereo sound. The speaker has a mic and hands-free function for taking calls. With IP67 protection, it's dust and splash proof and can be submerged up to 1 meter for 30 minutes. Lastly, you can find it priced at around 130 euros. As always, I've left a direct link in the description if you want to grab one. Now that we've seen the features, let's move on to the unboxing. Alright guys, as for the box contents, as you can see, it's pretty straightforward. We'll only find the speaker itself, which we have here, and we'll examine in detail, along with some accessories. We have a strap to hang the speaker, which we'll look at later, plus some instruction manuals. Also included, though not shown in the video, is a USB-C charging cable. Now that we've quickly seen the box contents, let's look at the interesting part, the speaker itself. The speaker weighs 735 grams and measures 21 centimeters wide, 11 centimeters high, and about 6 centimeters thick. On the front, just under the fabric and protective grille, we find speakers on each side, and in the center, as you can see, the passive radiator for bass. At the bottom, there are 4 rubber feet to support the speaker and keep it stable while playing. In the center, there's a small threaded hole to attach accessories like a tripod. On the back, you'll see 2 fasteners for the strap we saw earlier, allowing you to hang it anywhere. Next to that, on the side, is the USB-C charging port, which also lets you connect devices like laptops to play music through it. You can use it to play music from a connected device. At the top, as you can see, there are 2 buttons. On the right is Bluetooth pairing, and on the left is power with LED indicators. Lastly, the physical controls are located on top of the speaker. First, we have volume down, then play and pause, followed by volume up, and lastly, true wireless sync with another Rockster Go 2 speaker. Now, as always, before wrapping up the video, let's do a quick sound test with the speaker so you can hear how it sounds. As I always say, hearing it live like I am isn't the same as through a video, but it'll give you a general idea. As usual, we'll start at 50% volume, and halfway through the song, we'll crank it up to 100% to show how it sounds at different levels. So, let's begin the test.
town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe trying to protect your soul.
In short, the Rockster Go 2 is a compact portable speaker. It's perfect for livening up gatherings, both indoors and outdoors. Plus, you can take it to the pool in summer without any worries. As you've heard, the sound quality is quite good, with crisp treble and powerful clear bass. It performs well both indoors and in semi-enclosed outdoor spaces. The design is pretty cool, and the strap makes it easy to carry around. One area for improvement: at medium volume, the speaker sounds a bit quiet. It does get better at higher volumes, reaching an acceptable level. But at medium, it's a bit underwhelming. Lastly, removing the 3.5mm jack for wired connections feels like a step backward. Yes, it's true they've added USB-C connectivity this time, but I think it's much more standard and easier to connect a device using a 3.5mm mini jack cable, and it doesn't cost much to keep that connection. Alright guys, that wraps up the review of the Teufel Rockster Go 2 wireless speaker. As always, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Hit that bell to stay updated. That's all from me. As always, it's been a pleasure. See you in the next video.